a recap from the blizzard of 93. Let's get a recap from the blizzard of 93. Right now. Right now we can see the super storm of 1993, blizzard of 1993. You can see in the coastal area they have some pretty good high water surge. Wow. We can see the snowfall accumulations up to 30 plus inches in places, some up to 10 to 20, 30, 20 to 30 inches of snow back during the blizzard of 93. Right now, here's the setup. There was a low pressure system down in the Gulf and down in the coastal area. We called that southern slider, I think. Yeah, we call that the southern slider. That was there's a low pressure system. Depth tolls 270. Storm surge 12 feet. Water rescues at sea level 160. Very high snow totals. Wow. Look at the damaging winds in Cuba, I think. We can see 83, 81, 78, 103, 70, 94, 92. We can see that there was a bunch of damaging wind. We can see there's a bunch of damaging winds back in Florida from 93, from the blizzard of 93 that would cause it across the area. There was a bunch of tornadoes. There was EF1, EF2s, and a few touched down there in that 93 event. And then a picture from 93.